This is the Rolife Sunshine Town Book Nook. I love the book nooks. This one I got done the fastest out of all of them. You can look through the center and look how it just keeps going and going and going. I love this. You can see the little lamp post in the center. I thought this was very fun to put together. What I get asked a lot about these is how long they take. It all depends. I recommend people have a box or a container, start on them when they're kind of just getting to the point where they don't want to work on them anymore. Put it in the box and then get it out when you're ready to work on it again. You can add as much of your own touch to this as you would like. So anywhere where it said for me to paint it white, I just aged it with stamping ink. You can get these in my TikTok shop, which are linked on the front of this video. If you go to my Linktree under my bio, I have a direct link to Rolife's website, and I also have an Amazon affiliate that has a Rolife section where you can also look there. It comes with everything that you need to put this together except for the batteries. And I believe this was, I think, 2 AA or 2 AAA. I can't remember. I think it might have been AAA. And I put this together pretty much according to the directions. And like I said, it comes with everything. But the ambient lighting, the looking through the top of the ceiling, I just love it. So enjoy it. To me, this is self-care. It's supposed to be something you enjoy, so you don't have to rush. Take your time, have fun.